pansit. May lumpia. Lechon. May dinuguan. May masarap na. May carbonara. May cake. May lechon manok. May ice cream. Wow. Dalawang ice cream.
Tiyareng, gamay na lang.
Nanday sulod.
Ako ang gluten. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Uy, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Carbonara. Cake. Pansit.
Happy birthday.
Lechon manok.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Gulay.
Happy birthday
Day to you. Ice cream.
Wish mo na ako. I wish good health and long live and happy life.
More blessing.
More blessings to come and more birthdays to come. And last wish is I hope na hindi sila magtagumpay na ma-impeach si Sara Duterte. Maging 2020 President si Sara Duterte. Thank you, Lord God. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Salamat sa mga sponsors ni Chichi at saka ni Ayin at saka ni My Loves. Daghang salamat sa mga sponsors. Thank you.
Kabugo jud niya umuram gagakamang imo. Wala ba?
Hi guys. Thanks for the sponsor ni Auntie Annabelle ng Kuno sa iyang cake. Thank you so much, Auntie. Salamat sa pag-ari sa balay. Wala man ko din kay nag-duty man ko. Thank you. Bye-bye. Salamat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
How old are me? How old is me?
45.
45 na rin ko. 35 pa man.
Carbonara. Oh, wadi na mawa ang utan. Tiguwang naman siya. O niya, lechon manok.
Electric pan yung gamay.
Oh, pansit.
Ang electric pan yung gamay.
Oh, kanin. Charge. Dinuguan. Ice cream. Duha ka ice cream kay sponsor ni Chichi. Thank you.
Gurang lagi tani. Thank you sa akong mga sponsor.